friends, for our cocoa milk fudge, we're going to use these following ingredients. Here I have 200 ml of condensed milk, 200 grams of regular white sugar, 100 grams of cocoa powder, 100 grams of butter at room temperature, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 200 ml of milk and some chopped walnuts, and a pinch of salt will be required. Here I have lined up a cake tin which is 7 inches by 7 inches with some butter or parchment paper. Now here I'm taking a pan which is non-stick, and I'm going to be first adding my condensed milk. The flame is on a low. Now to this condensed milk, I'm going to be adding the sugar. Give it a mix. Now we're going to be adding in the butter. And we're going to mix this till the butter starts to melt. Now once our butter melts completely, we are going to add in our cocoa powder, and again we're going to mix everything thoroughly. And now we're just going to add some milk, add the milk to the mixture, and again we're going to stir everything. And now we're just going to add the vanilla essence. And we're also going to put in a pinch of salt. And now we just have to keep stirring till our mixture starts to thicken. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes till it all comes together. Now once our fudge is all come together, we're just going to turn off the gas top and empty all of it into our lined cake tin. And then we just have to put it into the refrigerator to set for about 4 to 5 hours. And then we're going to cut it up into cubes, or I'm going to show you another way in which you can make your Christmas tray look really fancy. So keep watching. Now one way is that we just cut up the fudge into cubes like this. So that's one of our options. Or you can just put them into a chocolate mold. This is the normal fudge which we have cut up into squares. And the other design that I came up is with just make little small balls and put them into your marzipan mold, your milk cream mold, your chocolate mold. So they become really small, little bite size, and they look also so pretty. So let me know which one you would like to have, the square ones or the nicely shaped little design ones. Well friends, I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see just below the video. Once you have hit the red subscribe button, please do click the golden bell icon that you will see. So every time I upload a new video, you will get a message or a notification of the same. Do visit my channel, and I have more than 200 recipes. So please visit Akshata's recipes, and I've created playlists so you can find what you're looking for. And thank you so much for stopping by at Akshata's recipes. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys, and take